So today we're in Cleveland, South Carolina, and we're at a vineyard.
Victoria Valley Vineyards.
Now the cool thing is they had carriage house shingles on top of the roof. They are a really nice looking shingle, but I don't think the color was really doing this building justice.
Color wasn't there and it wasn't properly installed when they built this thing.
Now, not a lot of companies offer what we offer. We actually offer a 10-year workmanship warranty on the work that we do ourselves. That's not just the warranty for the shingles, it's actually completely separate. The shingle manufacturer themselves, they offer their own warranty system, but we do 10 years. That's a decade of promises to make sure that we have your back every step of the way in case anything happens. We're humans, we're working with materials, things can happen. On average, how many years do you think the typical roofing company would offer a workmanship warranty for?
Around 3 years.
3 years. Okay, so we really are trying to set the standard high by giving you that 10-year workmanship warranty. We wanted to make this video to let anybody know here in upstate South Carolina, if you are looking for any type of roofing help, please consider working with Frazier Roofing. We're not only going to come out to your property and give you a professional analysis of your roof, but every single step of the way, we're going to give you the most honest feedback that we can and treat you in the way that we would want to be treated ourselves as customers.